So you probably know how to add your background music. You add it to a track underneath your voice track. You might be fancy and you're using the shortcut Option Shift minus and plus. So what you're trying to do with your music here is called ducking. And to achieve that, the easiest way is to click on your audio track, go into the inspector, and right here click on Ducker. Click the source you're trying to duck to, and you can add a second source or a third source if you have dialogue on multiple tracks. And the duck level controls how many decibels your music volume will drop when there's speech. If you click over here on these options, you have even more control over that process. You have obviously the duck level, which by the way for YouTube between 12 and 18 decibels is recommended. You got the look ahead, which tells DaVinci Resolve to anticipate coming speech, and the raise time controls how quickly the music fades down once speech is detected. If the time is short, this means instant drop, and if you set longer time, it will be a smooth fade. And the hold is basically when the speech ends, how much the duck keeps the music down. Typically 100 milliseconds at least should be okay. And recovery basically tells Resolve how much quickly the music should return to full volume. And by default, it's set on 875, which is smooth recovery. After you make your changes, you can create yourself a preset. All right, that was all I know for the ducking. Subscribe to the channel and happy ducking.